Hi everyone, Anita here, More Time to Talk, and I'm going to do a project using this galvanized jar shape. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to decorate it with a decoupage. This is a beautiful print, and I did this on rice paper. I'm going to paint it white, and then we're going to put some embellishments. Of course, I'm going to do a tag and also a button. So let's get crafting. Okay, I'm going to remove the string that was on there, and I'll just put a new one. I'm going to do 2 coats of this white chalk paint, and I'm going to really let that dry. Now I'm going to do the top with some slate, and I actually did 2 coats of that as well. And I'm going to do the button with the same color. I'm going to put my Mod Podge over top. I'm going to let that dry because I'm going to heat set my rice paper. And I love that technique because I don't get no air bubbles or wrinkles. I'm going to sand the excess paper right off of that. And apply another layer of Mod Podge. That helps protect your paper, and it also gives a sealer. Now once that's dry, I'm going to add some cinnamon to it to make it look old and rusty. I love this technique. And I use just the no-name cinnamon. I don't use the good kind. I'm going to also put some at the bottom and just along the edges. Use the Mod Podge that's in the lid and not directly into the bottle so that you don't get cinnamon from the brush. I'm going to do a tag, and I'm aging it with some archival ink. And I decided to do a little bit of a wrinkle to it just to age it. And I have this stamp. It's Hello. I got that from close to my heart, but it's very old. So use whatever stamp that you have on hand. And I'm going to wrap that jute string around a couple times. I'm just going to make a bow with the jute string. I did it like 3 loops. And then I'm going to tie with the hemp thread, and I'm going to make a bow with hemp thread as well. If you want more ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment #VIP for my free private group, and I'll send you a link. I'm loving this. I'm going to put a little bit of tape at the end of my jute string. Just help me put it through the holes, and then I'm going to tie that up. I also got these little orange, they're like little beads. I got those at the dollar store, and I'm going to add that to behind my bow. And there's my tag. So make sure that you follow me for more ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.